Okay, just taking it out for a little first-person drive with the new Greddy GT. We're working with a stage 1 block, flex fuel, supercharged, Z1 headers, test pipes, the Greddy catback. Just to give you some first-person impressions and some noise here. Currently with the windows up. Have quite a bit of vibration in this car. It's got a stage 3 clutch, the Z1 transmission mount, GK Tech subframe, Z1 urethane diff bushings, so it's pretty connected. Driving impressions, it's nice. Sounds really weird, different than most YouTube videos that you see because they don't have headers, they don't have test pipes. It's mainly just the catback, and it's definitely haven't seen any videos of a Greddy GT with this exhaust mod supercharged, of course. I am getting more vibrations inside the cabin with this exhaust than the Borla that was on the car, but I mean, it's to be expected. You know, it's definitely a louder exhaust system, but overall so far I'm pleased with it. Today's the first day, just doing a little driving around after installing all that, so yeah, see what happens.